Between meals, homework, schedules, and 1,000 tiny questions, parenting leaves almost no spare time. These 5 tools are free, and each one quietly takes a real task off your plate. Number 5 is the one most parents haven't tried yet. Number 5, Claude for bedtime stories. Give it your kid's name, age, and favorite animal, and it writes a custom short story in seconds. It's free to use in a browser, and it turns a tired end of day into something your child looks forward to. Number 4, ChatGPT's free tier for meal planning. Tell it what's in your fridge and how many kids you're feeding, and it builds a week of simple dinners plus a shopping list. No more standing in front of the fridge at 5 o'clock with no plan. And number 1, Google Calendar's free AI-assisted scheduling. Describe a recurring practice or appointment in plain language, and it builds the event, reminders included. Share with the whole family. It becomes the one place nobody has to ask, wait, where do I need to be? None of these cost $1, and together they buy back hours every single week. Start with just one, the one that solves your biggest headache right now. Subscribe for more free AI tools that actually make life easier, not more complicated.